Hey there, I am Tahir Vani, a UI UX designer, UI motion designer, and web designer. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a heartline wave animation in Figma, which is a very popular design tool used by designers worldwide. This animation can add a unique touch to your designs, and I'm excited to share with you the steps on how to create it. So, if you're ready to level up your design skills and learn something new, let's dive in. As you can see, I have already prepared a shape that we are going to be using in this animation. Okay. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to create a rectangle and we're going to select the both, and then we just have to click this use as mask. Okay. Now we need to convert this to the component and we need to add variants, total of 3 variants. Cool. Now what we need to do is in the first one, we need to reduce the mask to a level so that the shape is completely hidden. Okay. In the second one, we're gonna leave the shape completely visible. And in the third one, we also need to make the shape completely hidden. Okay. So let's add some animation. I'll just name it wave or waves. All right. Let me quickly add this to a prototype so that we can test the same in real time. Okay, nothing is visible right now as we are not animating anything. So what we need to do here is we need to drag this. Okay, we need to set it to after delay and I'll set it to 1 ms because we need this to start instantly. Okay, so we'll set the animation to smart animate linear in 2 seconds. Okay. Let's try it out. Okay, the first part is working fine. Now, what we need to do here is we need to fade this line out from the beginning, not in the reverse like this. We need to do it like this. Okay, so for that, we need to drag this to the third variant here. We will set it after delay and same 1 ms because we need to start this instantly. No, with no delays, and the same smart animate linear 2 seconds. All right, so let's try it out. If you can see, the animation is working in reverse right now. I did it intentionally in order to show you if we do it this way how much messy it's gonna look. So to fix this, what we are going to do is we're going to select the mask. Okay, and we are going to reduce in reverse. Right, I'll leave some part of it visible in order to show you just in case if you leave it this way, so what issue it's gonna cause you. See, let me show you again. It is a portion of it is going in reverse and it is making our animation unstable. So let's fix this too. We'll just drag this in reverse, not completely hidden, but reverse. Let me show you. If I hide this, the shape is not visible, but still there will be some issues. See, it's still going in reverse because some part of the mask is visible. The shape is not visible, but some part of the mask is. So in order to fix this, we need to drag the mask in reverse, okay, to the right. All right. So this should fix our animation. Okay, nice and easy. So right now it is working only once. What we need to do is we need to make it a continuous animation in a continuous loop. Okay, in order to do that, we just need to add after delay to our last variant and we need to change it to the first variant so that it starts from the first variant. So we'll set after delay 1 ms in order to start it instantly. Smart animate. No, we need to set it instant because there are no shapes visible, so we don't need the animation here. Okay, I think this should be it. Once. Okay, it is running in loop right now. You can do whatever you want with it. Maybe add some gradients, like I just have to select the mask, then I'll go to design. I'll add a linear gradient. Just set some color. Second, maybe yellow. Some opacity. Okay. I'll just copy the properties and I'll select the other two masks and I'll just paste the properties. Let's try it out. You see how it's animating? It's starting from the yellow color and then goes the rest of it. That's it for the video. I hope you found this tutorial on how to create a heartline wave animation in Figma helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to see more design tutorials like this, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.